Hi guys, so nandito, bumalik na ako dito sa may ano ko. Nandito sa may laro ko. Actually, ginawa ko tong laro ko.
Natin, kasi hina mga pre. Okay, naghangap na ako. Someone's at the door. I should go let them
Actually,
in. Bakit? Why you go let them in?
matagal na
Sino ba yan?
tong
Any
laro
girl
ko
to
na
be
to.
I need to be careful.
Yeah.
Oh, let's speak. Asahi, open up. It's me. Wait, I have a very bad feeling about this, ha? Why you looking like that? Alam nyo, it's giving yandere vibes
Yeah,
na agad
yeah,
yung mga video. No, alam ko yung mga
yeah.
ganyang itsura. How did you find me? She laughed softly.
You
Oh
really
my
told
God.
me to disappear? I know you better than you know yourself. I always have.
That is so creepy, bro. Bakit nang ipapasukin, man? We're done. I told you that. She presses her hand against the glass.
We were never done. You just got scared. But the thing
Guys,
is, the
wag,
end, they don't exist.
wag niyo ako i-post ha. Wag niyo akong i-bash, okay?
They don't exist.
The world was so noisy, wasn't it? All those people pulling you in different directions, telling you what's right. I made it quiet
Oh
for you.
my gosh.
For us.
Hala! Alam ko na agad yung
Hala
sabihin
ka.
niya.
That's okay. I'm a patient girl, remember? I waited
Yan.
for you to clean house with me.
Actually guys, alam niyo kung bakit medyo hindi na ako nakakapag-vlog. Char lang.
Bahayan.
Sweet
Nakakapag-vlog pa
dreams,
naman ako pero
Sana all
ang isang aga ko na gising kasi antok na antok pa ako.
Wake up, ano yun? Hindi siya aalis dyan. You so creepy, bro. I am like this. So, yes, we're
And
not
parang
How did I
nawiwagduhan
pwede
ako.
pumasok? We can only look. We can sleep right now.
Kato,
Someone might be
pat,
outside. Another one. May panibago na naman nasa labas. Okay. Let's see.
Excuse me.
I apologize for the sudden intrusion, but it's incredibly dangerous out here right now. Could you please let me in?
Babae ba yan o lalaki? Oh, wait, is a bed in room? Are you crying?
I am not.
Wait lang, ba't binibigyan ko ng panlalaking boses to?
I am not crying. I am not crying. Have some respect for your elders. I'm just out of breath to avoid those maniacs.
Guys, may nagbigay sa akin pero ang dami kong floor. Hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko dyan.
Just make it quick. She's wearing a traditional Miko outfit. It's a bit scuffed from running, but she clearly doesn't have any hidden weapons or contraband. I've seen enough. Okay na yan.
That's it for today's
First
video.
guess. Wait, nasaan siya mga friend?
So,
Don't sit on the floor. It's
huwag
time
niyo
for the
kalimutan mag-like,
Here, take this
share,
chair. You
and
need to rest.
subscribe.
Okay, alis tayo. Okay. Teka, bakit nababawasan yung hearts natin?
Bye-bye.
Bye,
I love you all. Bye-bye.
Story for those crazy